Jaja. Love you.
Bye. Bye.
With
Yeah.
good morning, guys.
Good evening.
Good evening. Okay. So everything is different. Okay. So what you guys did until now, that's the different story. Yeah. Because we have only 7. We have. Yeah. We are only 7 people here. Yeah. So this time we are lucky. So you have extra 3 guys. Yeah. Last time we have only 4. Yeah. So we have extra 3 now. So very lucky. Okay. So very important. First of all, safety. Yeah. Safety is very important. Yeah. When you guys going break, of course you have the hot plate and deep fried fryer, yeah, griller, boiler, whatever with this electrical item, you have to turn off the break time. This is very, very important. Noted and keep it ever in the mind. Yeah, it's very important. This is the first safety. When you coming in the on board, you take care of the safety. Yeah. You coming in on board, everything is nice. Yeah, 2 hands, 2 legs, everything is there. When you go back home, you need something else. Everything. Yeah, like a system now. So that's one very important. Then trainings. Tomorrow I starting the trainings. Yeah, you have trainings.
No, sir.
Okay. So all the trainings tomorrow I will start. Yeah. Then I will finish every day. Maybe I make 2 trainings. Then I will finish that one until we reach 7. Because after 7 we are getting very busy. Everybody. So with 3 days you have 4 days. I training, plenty training. We can finish this one. Because so many you guys, you don't have training with me. Yeah. You guys did with other shoe shapes. These 3 of them. But this time, yeah, I not never doing this training. Yeah. Tomorrow I start in the trainings. Okay. Then USPH. USPH very important, guys. Don't think we are not USPH. Maybe you cleaning like this, then you go no. You guys everyday practice like a USPH. Very, very important. Because if you see there, here people make good life, then transfer in the breakaway, they will now it's very hard time for them. Because they take lightly. How many days shapes and shoe shapes they give trainings, but they don't care. They don't take serious. They took very lightly. So now they will get a problem there. Now, before USPH coming, the inspector maybe 1 year, 1 time. But now one USPH inspector every time in the on board. Yeah, every time. So every time the guy surrounding somewhere. So every time catching some crew members. No hiding in the cabin equipment. No food wrap. Yeah, whatever you eat in the crew mess, that's it. We cannot grab food, anything in the cabin, or you caught, you go home. So very, very careful this one. Yeah. So USPH inspection, your priority. I conduct this every week. We have 1 day. We have USPH inspection. Yeah. That's the main thing. Then you guys every day practice. After finish your job, then clean your areas and your tables, your whatever you are underground freeze, what you call walking box. Yeah. Whatever you use your place, you have to clean. Then you go. Yeah, that's very important. I don't want to fingering anybody behind you. I have lot of things also I want to do. Yeah, your own place you take care of this one. We have only 7, so we are like one family. Yeah, not like this girl. Oh, I don't want this. I don't different. Nobody different here. We have everybody. If you guys fail, I am the fail. I am the fail. You guys fail. So don't let down. So we team. We one team, so we work together. Yeah, always. Anytime. Don't matter if the time, what is the time, about 24 hours. Anytime you guys call me, I'm available there. Anytime. Just ring my number is 8906. Yeah. Just call me. Chef, I want this, I want this, I want that, I need help. Yeah. Yes, of course, I'm there. Huh? Is very, very important. My number is 8906. This one very important. Then Danilo have the phone. Yeah, his number 8934. Okay, so I give the phone also to him. Yeah, so very important this one. Okay, then we coming the schedule now. Yeah, the schedule is like that. Danilo, he make the all main courses. Whatever you guys doing like before. Yeah, Danilo, he make all the main courses. Yeah, the next one, Rex, he makes soup Filipino and international, whatever. Yeah, then Richard, pantry, all the cold cuts. Yeah, all the cold cuts, all the salad. Yeah, whatever salad we have, whatever cold cuts we have. Yeah, whatever pizza ingredients. Don't different. No, nobody different here. We have everybody. If you guys fail, I am the fail. I am the fail. You guys fail. So don't let down. So we team. We one team. So we work together. Yeah, always. Anytime. Don't matter if the time. What is the time? About 24 hours. Anytime you guys call me, I'm available there. Anytime. Just ring my number is 8906. Yeah. Just call me. Chef, I want this, I want this, I want that, I need help. Yeah. Yes, of course, I'm there. Huh? Is very, very important. My number is 8906. This one very important. Then Danilo have the phone. Yeah, his number 8934. Okay. So I give the phone also to him. Yeah. So very important this one. Okay. Then we coming the schedule now. Yeah. The schedule is like that. Danilo, he make the all main courses. Whatever you guys doing like before. Yeah. Danilo, he make all the main courses. Yeah. The next one, Rex, he makes soup Filipino and international, whatever. Yeah. Then Richard, pantry, all the cold cuts. Yeah. All the cold cuts, all the salad. Yeah. Whatever salad we have, whatever cold cuts we have. Yeah. Whatever pizza ingredients. Of course, this Indian cook, Indian food making, plus sauce man and pasta man. Before he doing, yeah, same. I don't change anything, then I don't add anything. Whatever we follow that one. Okay. Next, Jomel, you know that one. You have steam veg, you have rice man, you fried rice, and in charge of the quarantine the food. You know you fill up in the box, right?
Camro.
Yeah, Camro. You put it that all the arrange that one. Yeah. So that's very important. And Mazatul, your name is Ray, right?
Yeah, Mazatul.
Yeah. Then you cooking the guy pantry, the pantry guy, the ingredients everything is make ready. Then you cook the pizza. Yeah, you cook the pizza and veg preparation. Yeah, whatever we have vegetable, we have preparation. Okay. Then pick up the fruits. When you go in the morning, pick up the fruits. Yeah, from the to the pantry. Okay. Whatever you have the fruits, we have the pick up. Because the guy pantry alone, always helping him. Yeah, helping. If he sometime asking, can you please come to help me? So you can don't ignore. Yeah. So please help him. Guys, we have I will tell you honestly already, we have very nice team. Yeah, very, very nice team. Yeah. Our is very nice. We have 7 people, very, very nice. I don't want to bothering anybody. I already mindset. Yeah, I'm not bothering to you. Don't bothering to me. Okay. I don't want to fingering with you. What you guys doing? Proper do whatever the SOP you follow the same way. Don't go shortcut. Okay. When you go shortcut, if you something you don't have, you can put something replacement. But don't go any shortcut way and so on. Always the careful, very careful. Always watching. There's the camera. Camera is very important because now they don't have any lot of job. They will only focus, whoever here layout manning, they will focus. Yeah, that's very important. This camera very, very important. Okay. Then I inform already. I mentioned this alcohol policy. Yeah, our alcohol policy everybody knows 0.04. Yeah, that is our limited. Yeah, maybe 1 beer or maybe 2. That's it. Guys, that very important. See, more than 1 year we don't have any job. So God give the gift. This time we got the job. So please don't spoil your life, your own self. Yourself is very, very important. Yeah, don't drink too much. Yeah, if you drink too much, of course you don't coming in the duty. Then morning security coming. Then they will check you, then they will go take the medical, then breathalyze. This very long process. Yeah, very very important, guys. This is the very very important. Yeah, breathalyze very important. This smoking or whatever. Then what else? Then next, timesheet. Timesheet. Everybody knows we have working only 10 hours. Now not too much busy or not nothing. We stick in the 10 hours, but we make the break schedule. Yeah, we have to work in the morning also, we have work in the lunch also, we have also the dinner. Only the two guys, that is only the breakfast. If we work in the lunch and dinner, of course when the meal packing starting, not now, if the 7, the plenty people coming, of course we want to come in morning 6 o'clock, then we make the meal box, then after that you guys go break, then 8 o'clock you come, again mise en place, we prepare the lunch finish, then you guys go break, then dinner we make and we start, just close. Yeah, so we stick in the 10 hours duty. It's very very important, this 10 hours. Yeah.